HARTING's 4-indent crimping tool creates crimping connections between stranded wires and turned contacts type HAN D, E, C, and HAN Yellock for cross sections between 0.14 to 4 millimeters square. For crimping procedure, set up the locator position according to the crimp contact type selected. Then set up the crimp depth. Insert the crimp contact into the tool opening. The locator ensures that the contact is automatically situated in the proper crimping position. Insert the stripped wire into the crimp contact and press the tool handles together until they automatically reopen.